Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are a total beginner and you just want to start your affiliate marketing with Clickbank, this is how you can make money with Clickbank using Facebook ads. So today I will show you my current campaign that I just started last March 21. Okay, that is currently running for 4 days. And also my biggest mistakes for you to avoid those mistakes when starting your affiliate marketing business. First and foremost, if you are truly serious to become an affiliate marketer and want to treat this as a real business, then you have to bear in mind this is not an easy money. You need to analyze your data. There are some days that you don't have any sale. There are also refunds, and this is the chargeback. So make sure that you monitor your ins and outs of your money. Let me just pull this out. So this one is my this week campaign. So as you can see here, this one is March 21. I started this campaign just 3 days ago. Okay, so this campaign is just running 4 days. So I have set up 6 ad sets. So this is how I name my campaigns. So it's very easy for me if I want to filter this out. So this is my lookalike audience. So the best target audience that you start with is the lookalike audience. So if you haven't watched yet my video about lookalike audience, make sure that you watch it first. So you can just go to my YouTube channel and go here. You will see here, this is a lookalike audience. So this is a 2K per week with lookalike audience. And also watch this one, okay? Facebook lookalike audience. This is where I show you how you can set up the lookalike audience. So here, this is a lookalike audience that I got from Mytolin. This is the product that I am promoting. So just one lookalike audience that I am using here. And you will see here, this is my daily budget. It's 630.35. This is in Philippine peso. So let me just show you how much is this. I think this it's 630. I think this is $11. So yeah, it's $11 per day. So I set up $11 per day, and this is my cost per click. Normally, I watch my cost per click. It should be lower $1. Some of my ad set here is higher than $1. So what I normally do if I have high cost, high CPC, I normally turn this off and replace it with the same combination, okay? If I didn't get any sale. But if in case that I got a sale, so for example, in this, I'm running this for 4 days, right? I got, oh, this is engagement. Let me change my KPI here. So this is my cost per click. It's 64.74. The cost of ads nowadays with Facebook, it's tremendously getting higher, okay? So you will see here, this is my CTR. My rule here is at least above 7%. So my averaging here is good. And my CTR all above 7% also, okay? You see here, I've generated purchases from this ad set and another purchase here in ad set 2. So I've got total 3 purchases. Let's see some questions here. Do you provide personal coaching? No, I don't provide coaching for now. So later on, maybe, and I will let you know. But I have this affiliate marketing course here in Udemy. You can join there. So here, what is your ROI? Why don't you post it, the sales stats, okay? I will show you my sales stats here for this campaign. So you will see here, this is March 21 to March 24. And let me just pull out. So you should monitor your data. This I started on March 21. So I spent 3,000 pesos, and this is equivalent in US dollar. So my total spending here is 287.75. If you will see here, this is how I monitor my data. So this is my revenue, okay? So the total revenue here is 412.34. And my landing page, this is those people who click my ads and go to my landing page. So my target here at least 40%. And here, so you will see here, this is my total net profit. This is the most important in your business. You have to monitor your net profit and ROI, of course. So you will see here on this first day, I spent $66. So I lost $66 because I don't have any sale conversion. And then the next day, my spending here is 56. This is my ROI, 103, 31, and 135. All right, so I've got this $100 profit. The best way to target your target audience is to get the hash list from your vendor. So just email them and ask them about the hash list, introduce yourself, and tell them that you are interested promoting their product. And they will give you that hash list. And when they give you, you just upload it on your ad account. Go to tools and you will just go here, audiences, okay? Click audiences. So these are all the hash lists that I uploaded. So just watch these two videos to learn how you can upload that lookalike audience. All right, the step-by-step guide. So as I mentioned to you earlier, in doing this affiliate marketing with Clickbank, the most important is you set up your business foundation the right way. You must know your objective. So you should not give up if this is a business that you really want to treat as a business, right? It's not a hobby. So look at this. So this is one of my campaign also that I want to show it to you. So you will see here, I am negative, right? I have this revenue of 1,371, but I am negative here, okay? So what I will do here is I will analyze my data, why I became negative. So I've made some mistakes here, right? So for example, this one, so I'm testing here, I think I'm testing here my creative. So you will see here that I have two creatives, video 3 and video 3G, okay? So this video 3, I'm trying to make a sale here, but I made two sales here. And then what I did, I put out a new video, a new creative here, and tested in the same audience, but I didn't get any sale here. So you will see it's all gray. So here, if I'm testing many, then meaning I am losing money. And then here I made the sale again, and then here I made the sale again. So, and then I test another audience here, like snack food. And then I mix it with chocolates. I mix with different audiences. So these are all my mistakes. So I am spending more on this new audience on testing. So I'm spending more money on testing rather than spending money on those combinations that are making me sale. So that's why when you see here, for example, in this latest campaign, so you will see here that this one is every day, okay? So I am getting sales every day here. So this one is March 21, I started this campaign. I have no sale. March 22, I got one conversion here, okay? I spent 56, but I made $114. And here, I spent 87 on March 23, but I made $115. And here, March 24, I spent $77 and I made $183. So this is how you should treat your business by analyzing your data. So if you are losing money, it's okay. At the beginning, it's okay to lose money because you are buying data. You are optimizing your pixel. I hope this helps. And if you want to learn more doing affiliate marketing with Clickbank, then I have this Udemy course. So let me show you again here about affiliate marketing Clickbank success guide that you can join. So you can just see the curriculum here, and if this is for you, then I will be happy to see you inside. So you can just enter the coupon code here to get the discount from me, the best price from me, okay? Enter the code here, and I hope to see you inside.